Hello, Finovate San Diego. Thank you very much for the opportunity to be here. As Greg said, my name is Kathleen Craig, and I'm the founder and CEO of Plinqit. Plinqit is a woman-founded and led venture-backed company making deposit software for financial institutions. The product we actually demoed right here at Finovate in 2023, our consumer high-yield savings platform, has brought in over $4 billion in deposits for our bank clients. We are really proud to have brought in over $4 billion for banks in just over 2 years. It has seen great growth, and we're proud to have referenceable bank customers on it. But it also made me think, as a business owner, I want my cash earning a higher yield than it is, just like our consumer platform offers. I want it to be liquid, just like my personal savings. So I decided to see what was out there. I tried 6 different promoted digital business high-yield savings accounts. Of the 6 I tried, only 1 got me all the way through the process to funding. 5 of the other ones ended with saying either come into the branch or can we have a rep from our bank or credit union contact you. So only 1. We're here talking about AI all week, and yet we still can't get profitable clients fully online. The latest solution we're here to show you is our high-yield savings for business. With our platform, a small business can fully open, fund, and manage a high-yield savings account completely online. In just a few weeks, your bank or credit union can start opening small business savings accounts and allow the business to keep their cash liquid, which we know they all need, while you easily attract cost-effective, high-growth deposits. It's a real win-win. The reason we can make this happen is that Plinqit products are built on our own proprietary ledger. We love fun names at Plinqit, so we call it Villager. This back-end cloud-based core allows us flexibility that many of your legacy cores do not. With Business HYS, your bank will have role-based access to Villager as part of your implementation. We did demo Villager in depth at our 2023 presentation, so I'm not going to go very far into it, but let's just take a quick look at what Villager offers. Villager and its capabilities give you all the information you need to have these accounts count as core deposits and core accounts. The combination of Villager and the front-end platform we have built means you can offer a fully online business high-yield savings account in just 4 to 6 weeks. You pick a product name, you configure your program with your rate, your maximums and minimums, and we're off to the races. Let's take a look at the front end now and see how easy it is to open an account. See if I swipe the right way. There we go. All right, so anywhere it says Demo Bank, this is a fully white-labeled solution. So we're going to go ahead and get started with an email, if I can see it. We're going to ask them for a password. Again, we know all banks and credit unions have different levels of regulation, so you guys can configure if you want. We had one bank that needed a 14-character password, but I didn't want to do that to myself in a demo. And then they're going to select and check and agree to your e-sign consent, your terms and conditions. These aren't the disclosures yet. These are just your terms and conditions. Again, they are opening this business account with you as the bank or credit union, not a Plinqit account. We're going to send them an email on your behalf. They'll verify, and then they're ready to go. They're going to log in. We'll ask for a mobile number so that we can do MFA. We'll send them a text on your behalf, and then we're ready to go. We outline what we're going to need from them and the different documents we're going to need so that they can go through this quickly. Based on the type of business they select and the entity type, all the questions and different requirements are going to change. We'll do an LLC just for the purposes of I'm at 2.5 minutes left. So the questions are going to change based on that. No, I'm not a disregarded entity. I'm going to give my EIN, etc. All the things that you need in order to check over this business and make sure you can open it. Purpose of business, right? All of these questions will look familiar. Address. See how fast we can get through this. All right. We'll ask for their business formation state, which is anyone that's opened business accounts knows is not always where they're located. And then we're ready to go. Again, based on the type of business, we'll ask them to upload documentation. Since this is an LLC, we're going to ask for articles of incorporation and get those uploaded. We're then going to have them set up their business owners. I did a single LLC for the interest of time, so let's just say I own 100% of this Acme Corporation. US citizen, I would give my social, but I'm obviously not going to do that because this is going to live on the internet. So we'll just do a fake one for now and get me through. And then we'll say I own 100%. If I didn't own 100%, we can do up to 4 25% beneficial owners. I'll upload my license as it requests, and then I'm ready to go. I'll review my information, both my member information, confirm my tax status, confirm my business details. At this point, we're going to take their application, all their information, and we're going to send it and run KYC, OFAC, and business checks on them. If they pass, they'll be able to continue all the way through to funding. If they don't, they'll still be able to continue through, but we won't move money until they're official. We're going to sign our account disclosures, pick our funding amount, link our funding account, so they do have to move the money digitally from somewhere. We're going to do that on the back end, so again, you don't see my banking credentials. And then that's it. I'll put in $5,000 and start saving. At this point, then, they're on our proprietary mobile banking. It's a mobile responsive web, so it looks great on a desktop, great on a mobile. They're not in your systems, right? That's how we save you money and allow this process to happen. The funding, it's that simple. The funding will be at your bank the next day, and it's your turnkey route to high growth deposits. I unfortunately have to go get on a plane. Oh, there we go. I have to get on a plane, so I won't be at my booth. But if you have interest in seeing our product, we'd love you to look us up at info.plinqit.com.